Hey Dutch crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're going to cook in these butter chicken wings in the Ninja Woodfire Grill. The first thing we want to do is make a marinade for our butter chicken wings. So we've got half a cup of natural yogurt, 1 cup of veg oil. We're going to add that. 1 tablespoon of red cashmere chili powder. Half a tablespoon of garam masala. 2 tablespoons of fenugreek leaves. 1 tablespoon of coriander. And 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Get in there with a Dutchy stick, mix this all together. Make sure everything is combined. And that's what we're looking for. So I've got 1 kilo, that's 2.6 pounds of chicken wings. I'm just going to add our marinade to it. Get the trusty hand in there and give it a good mix. We're looking to cover these chicken wings totally in this marinade. And once we've done that, we're going to pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours. But as we always say, overnight is best. The next thing to do is get our Ninja Woodfire Grill ready. We're going to use some charcoal pellets. We're also going to use the Economiser from the Pellet Man, link below. So all we need is half a cup of these charcoal pellets. As you can see, fill it to the top. Drop it in the hopper. And we're ready to go. So we're going to use smoker setting. We're going to drop this down to 160. Got smoke technology, 45 minutes, and away we go. So the pellets of cork have got rid of most of that acrid white smoke. And we're going to add half a cup of cashew nuts. I'm just going to toast these off. About 5 minutes. Just taking on a bit of colour. The thing to do now is to get our chicken out of the fridge after it's been marinating. We'll get it into the Ninja Woodfire Grill. I'm just going to arrange these evenly around on the flat plate. And that's the last one. Lid shut. And we're off. So we're going to take our roasted cashew nuts, put them into a blender. Into the cashew nuts, we're going to add half a cup of cold water. We're going to give them a whiz. And by the magic of video, this is what we're looking for. A thick paste. So we're going to make a dip now for our chicken wings once they're cooked. So we're going to use our cashew paste, half a cup of melted ghee. You have to watch your waistline on this one. Half a cup of cream. Three tablespoons of lemon juice. We've got a thumb-sized piece of ginger which we've coarsely chopped. We're going to get that in. And half a teaspoon of dried cumin. Get the Dutch stick in again and give it a good mix. When it's all mixed together, it should look like this. Take a good handful of fresh coriander. Just going to run the knife over it. Give it a chop. Watch those fingers. I'm just going to add this to our sauce. Dutch stick back in, give it a stir around. And that's our butter chicken sauce ready. Go back to the wings now and just look at the colour these wings have taken on. These wings have taken approximately 20 minutes to cook, and we're looking for an internal temperature of 74 degrees C. We're going to get these wings off now, get them into a bowl. Just look at that. And while they're still hot, we're going to pour our butter chicken sauce over the top. We're just going to garnish with a bit of fresh coriander, and these wings are now ready. After all that cooking, I think we ought to have a taste. So there we go. I wasn't sure about these. I have to get them nice and crispy in the Ninja Woodfire, and then to be pouring that butter chicken sauce on top. But I'm telling you, that is really nice.